What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Today we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a famous Burgundy producer based in the village of Morey Saint Dennis or Morey Saint Denis and founded in 1872. Domaine Ponsot is famous for producing Pinot Noir and Chardonnay wines, top wines from Burgundy, in particular the Premier Cru Clos des Monts Luisants, the only 100% Aligoté Premier Cru wine made in Burgundy. So the only wine made from 100% Aligoté grapes, which is kind of not all that famous grape variety in Burgundy, but Domaine Ponsot makes a wine that is made from 100% Aligoté, the only 100% Aligoté Premier Cru first growth in Burgundy. But Domaine Ponsot is also very famous for producing top wines from the Clos de Roche, the Clos de Vougeot and Corton, top Grand Cru wines of Burgundy. Domaine Ponsot, Domaine Ponsot. Do not pronounce the T at the end of Ponsot. Do not say Ponsot, absolutely not. Domaine Ponsot. Domaine Ponsot. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.